In a world where power and sustainability collide, a new supercar contender has emerged. One that marks the first ever electric hybrid from Lamborghini. Named after a legendary Barcelonian fighting bull from the 1800s. And harnessing the most powerful Lambo engine in history. Welcome to Streetbeasts, home of the most exciting vehicles on the planet. Today, we examine the all-new hybrid electric Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini's latest creation epitomizes the company's mission to increase performance while reducing their carbon footprint with each new model. Make no mistake, achieving this goal required some remarkable feats of engineering. As a result, the Revuelto seamlessly combines the latest hybrid electric technology with the timeless power and design of its namesake. Let's start with the design. From its striking center-mounted quad exhaust, to its sharp, angular lines and quintessential broad Lamborghini front grille, the Revuelto is undeniably cut from the same cloth as its predecessor, the Aventador. The tail features an active rear wing coupled with a large diffuser, complementing its active aerodynamics for 66% more downforce than the Aventador. Despite being slightly longer than its predecessor, Revuelto's engineering makes it 10% lighter and 25% more rigid. This is due in part to Lamborghini's unique carbon fiber monofuselage. The bespoke wheels measure 21 inches in front, 22 inches in back, with Bridgestone tires that are 4% wider to eliminate oversteer. Perhaps the most aggressive physical feature is the uncovered 12-cylinder power plant on full display behind the cockpit, which, despite being a hybrid electric, is the most powerful Lamborghini engine ever created. So, let's talk performance. 3 magnet motors complement the naturally aspirated 815 horsepower V12, for a combined total just over 1,000 horses. There are 2 e-motors mounted at the front axle and 1 above the gearbox. Every component has been strategically placed to optimize the Revuelto's center of gravity, with the engine rotated 180 degrees, and the gearbox transversely mounted behind it to make room for the lithium-ion battery. The last Lambo with a rear-mounted gearbox was the track-exclusive monster, Ascenza SVC12. However, the Revuelto boasts an all-new gearbox that is not only lighter, but able to shift faster and smoother than previous versions. Due in part to the e-motors, which help cut weight by eliminating the need for a reverse gear, as the car uses electric mode when backing up. All totaled, the Revuelto tops out at just over 217 miles per hour with a 0 to 62 mph time of 2.5 seconds. Not bad for a hybrid. Although the 3.8 kWh battery only allows for around 10 miles of full electric driving, the V12 can fire up and fully recharge the battery in just 6 minutes. But the Revuelto isn't only a high-performance machine. The car comes stacked with the latest in driver assistance technology. 3 large screens at the steering wheel, dashboard, and passenger side create a vibrant and connected experience for both driver and passenger. The upholstery combines leather and sustainable, Dynamica microfiber made from recycled polyester. Lamborghini will offer Revuelto buyers a whopping 70 different interior color variations to choose from, perfected by the design team at their Sant'Agata Bolognese factory. Passengers are afforded more legroom and better visibility than the Aventador, while gaining some exciting new features and retaining classic favorites. like the jet-like metal ignition cover. The redesigned steering wheel acts as a control center for a host of driver assistance functions, as well as shifting through 4 driving modes. Strada, a hybrid mode with reduced horsepower, Sport, for sharper shifting and suspension, Corsa, for maximum performance, and the all-new Cheetah, or fully electric, city driving mode. With the ability to rev beyond 9,000 RPMs, the Revuelto's genuine supercar engine roar stands out over other hybrid competitors that have sacrificed that classic big engine rumble. Like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. And its fierce 4-wheel drive capabilities make it an undeniable force to be reckoned with. With over 400 paint colors to choose from, what would your Revuelto look like? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more looks at the most inspiring vehicles on the planet. Thanks for watching, Street Beasts. Till next time.